Most people are ordering steak completely wrong, and they don't even realize it. From blue rare to well done, each level of doneness doesn't just change the taste, it reflects history, culture, and even how different countries think about food. Let's break them down. Blue rare steak is cooked at around 40 to 45 degrees Celsius inside, with a quick sear on the outside and a nearly raw center. When you eat it, it feels extremely soft, almost slippery, with a very pure but underdeveloped beef flavor. Historically, this style is closest to how meat was eaten centuries ago, especially in parts of Europe where fresh meat was prized and lightly cooked. Today, chefs see blue rare as a very niche preference. It shows appreciation for raw flavor, but many argue it lacks the transformation that cooking is supposed to bring. Reaches about 50 to 52 degrees Celsius, keeping a cool red center and a very tender texture. It delivers a strong, natural beef taste with minimal interference from heat. In classic French cuisine, rare steak has long been respected, especially in traditional bistros where overcooking was seen as ruining the ingredient. But even in France, many chefs now push slightly beyond rare, because fat and connective tissue haven't fully developed their flavor yet. Medium rare steak sits around 55 to 57 degrees Celsius, with a warm, red-pink center. This is where the fat begins to melt, releasing more aroma and richness, while the meat stays juicy and tender. Modern steakhouses, especially in the United States, popularized medium rare as the ideal standard. It became the default recommendation not just for taste, but because it consistently delivers the best experience across different cuts. Today, ordering medium rare is almost seen as a sign that you understand steak, although some argue that this idea is more cultural than absolute. Medium steak reaches about 60 to 63 degrees Celsius, with a light pink center and a firmer bite.
Nhưng mà điểm mà làm mình rất là thích ở đây là các loại sốt ăn kèm với bò này. Như sốt vang thì có độ sánh vừa hậu vị chua nhẹ từ vang rất là thơm. Sốt nấm thì béo nhẹ đậm mùi nấm và rất là dễ ăn.
In many restaurants, especially outside of fine dining,
như đây là món gan ngọt ăn cùng với hồng khô và bánh mì giòn. Và là món bò sống băm nhỏ kiểu Pháp được trộn với các loại gia vị với mọi người. Bạn nào ăn được các món sống.
It's often chosen by those who want certainty, even if it means sacrificing a bit of depth. Medium well steak goes up to around 65 to 68 degrees Celsius, leaving only a slight hint of pink. At this stage, most of the moisture is gone, and the steak becomes noticeably firmer and less juicy. In high-end kitchens, this is usually the point where chefs start to feel the quality of the meat is being wasted, particularly with premium cuts like ribeye or tenderloin. Still, in many cultures, a more cooked steak simply feels more familiar and comfortable. Well-done steak is cooked to 70 degrees Celsius or higher with no pink remaining. The texture is firm, often dry, and the natural juices are mostly gone. In American steakhouse culture, ordering well done, especially for expensive beef, is sometimes quietly judged. But historically, fully cooked meat was associated with safety, especially before modern food standards. For many people, well done isn't about flavor, it's about trust and habit. Overcooked steak goes even further, where almost all moisture is lost. It becomes dry, tough, and difficult to enjoy, regardless of how good the original cut was. In professional kitchens, this is usually considered a mistake rather than a preference, often the result of poor timing or inexperience. Undercooked steak, on the other hand, hasn't reached the proper internal temperature. It can feel cold inside, overly soft, and lacks the developed flavor that comes from proper cooking. In restaurants, this is one of the most common reasons a dish gets sent back, because it breaks the expected standard. So what does all of this actually mean? Choosing your steak doneness isn't just about taste, it's about how you relate to food. From rare to well done, you're constantly trading between purity and transformation, between softness and structure, between risk and certainty. In Western dining culture, medium rare became the gold standard, not just because of flavor, but because it represents balance. But in other parts of the world, a fully cooked steak might simply reflect a different idea of comfort and trust. At the end of the day, there's no absolute right or wrong choice. But now you understand what each level really gives you and what it takes away. So next time you order a steak, you're not just choosing how it's cooked. You're choosing a tradition, a preference, and a way of experiencing food.